I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks transactions with an easy method. First, let's understand what transactions are and why they matter. They are the financial heartbeat of your business, tracking every dollar spent and earned. Mastering this process ensures your financial records are always accurate, providing a clear picture of your business health. This easy approach will simplify your bookkeeping, making it less daunting and more efficient for you. The easiest way to get transactions into QuickBooks is by connecting your bank and credit card accounts. This secure link automatically imports your financial activity, usually daily. It eliminates the need for manual data entry, which can be time-consuming and prone to mistakes. Simply navigate to the Banking tab, select Add Account, and follow the prompts to link your financial institutions. This step is foundational for an efficient workflow. Once transactions are imported, the next step is to categorize and match them. Categorizing means assigning each transaction to the appropriate income or expense account, like office supplies or sales revenue. Matching involves linking an imported transaction to an existing record in QuickBooks, such as a payment received for an invoice. QuickBooks often suggests categories based on past entries, making this process quicker and more intuitive for you. The final, crucial step is to regularly review and reconcile your accounts. Reviewing ensures all transactions are correctly categorized and no duplicates exist. Reconciliation involves comparing your QuickBooks balance to your bank statement balance at a specific date. This process helps identify any missing transactions or errors, ensuring your books are 100% accurate. Aim to reconcile all accounts monthly for the best financial oversight and peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.